everyone. So I wanted to show you guys something. I made this last night and I am just absolutely in love with it. I really am. I sprayed it with Krylon Triple Thick, so this glitters on here pretty well. Yeah, I am just totally. Are you gonna focus? Totally in love with this. I've got two more sitting here. I do want to go and get some more from the store. These ones were just ones that my son and I picked up. Can't remember where we were walking to or from, but we started picking up some pine cones along the way, and I just ended up keeping them because I kind of wanted to do something with them. I just didn't know what. Well, I figured I would try this. Now this was hemp wick, I want to say. It's stronger than this other twine that I got back here. I mean, this probably could have worked, but this is more sturdy. It almost feels like it has a wax coating to it too, so I'm pretty sure that was my hemp wick. But I took my hot glue gun, let it heat up and everything. There were these like little hole kind of things from like the stems on the bottom, so I just filled that with the hot glue. Took and stuck the two ends down in there, and then I put a little bit of hot glue over the top of it just to hold it secure. And let's get to it. I'm using this Khaleesi mixer from Radioactive Glitter, and it's beautiful. It really is. Like, I doubt you guys can appreciate just how beautiful this is, even on camera. Everything always looks better in person. All right. Just squeeze a little dollop in there. Little dollop of daisy. All right. And then we're just gonna paint it on the tips. And paint does dry pretty quickly, so we're going to want to be quick about it and only do so many at a time. So that it can be used as the adhesive. Looky there. That's so cool. I don't know who first thought to use paint as glue like this, but you're awesome. It takes an entire step out. Try to make sure I got enough on here to really hold a good amount of glitter. Nobody messages me or anything until I start recording. That's just so pretty. It's very relaxing to do this too. And you just kind of slow down and kind of just enjoy the scenery. Yeah, I really do need to get more of these. I want these all over my tree. I got a beautiful 7.5 foot tall tree from, I ordered it from Home Depot. And oh my God, I absolutely love it. I really do. All right, let's get some glitter on here before this dries. But it's also so realistic, like most of the trees I was finding were just a perfect cone shape, just like a furry cone. Who wants that? You know, I don't know, growing up, my grandma and grandpa on my dad's side anyway had always had real trees. Always had real trees, and they had the green thumb. You know, they grew vegetables and flowers, and man, my grandpa grew some of the best roses I've ever seen. You know, they had the green thumb to keep that tree alive. Unfortunately, they passed before, you know, really showing me what all to do. Plus all the needles and stuff like that, you know, I'm good with a fake tree that, you know, resembles real. You know, has branches coming out to break up that cone outline. Like, oh my God. I was getting mad because all I could find was just that perfect cone shape. Like, that's not a tree. But this thing's awesome. It's pre-lit. You could change between white and color. It's really cool. Even has a remote. I don't even have to get up to change it. Although the remote kind of sucks. It doesn't always want to work right. Which it's whatever. It's a tree. I guess I might as well just do these ones that are all touching each other. So I'm not trying to not disturb glitter. All right. I need to, owie, I just kind of ran over my own toe. Moving on. These will look so gorgeous on the tree. They really will. I definitely need more. The good thing is their pine cones are fairly cheap too. You know, get them at Walmart or the dollar store. Find them outside, you know. Oh man, I missed this whole side back here. Okay, so I'll just glitter this. As you can see, the string is very durable. And the hot glue. I don't even know if I'm on the camera or not. Let's try to see. Glitter. These are just so pretty. I'm not going to go too far in, you know, just kind of this outer. Just these outer couple rows. here. I'm gonna do right here. Right there. And give me 2 of these. Stick it through there. Whoosh. And there we go. Now, I have one of them sitting like down in a cup like this, just to keep it hung and, you know, off of itself. But once the paint is dry, I'm going to blast it a few times with this. And yeah, I showed you the finished product. These are so pretty. You'll probably enjoy crafting them. I really did. And they're gonna look so beautiful on the tree. Happy crafting, guys, and happy holidays. See you again soon.